Welcome to the series From CAD to Fab, Stage 2, Rear End and Drivetrain. Continuation from Stage 1, the first video. Please support the channel by smashing the like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. The CAD Solids model here shows the left rear suspension in full compression and the right side in rebound. Now, let's finish the rear end. Let's go from here. The tail frame fabrication. Bending the upper hip of the tail frame. Time to mark and notch the contour of the pipe to fit snug. Upper hip of the tail frame welded on. Here I'm pointing to the old control arm mounts to be cut off. Now, the old control arm mounts are removed. Extending the base frame. The lower tail frame hip added. The tail frame down tubes are also added. The centre drive housing is fabricated. Right side of the centre drive housing, back of the centre drive housing, left side of the centre drive housing. The centre drive housing is in the correct position. Housing and frame now attached to the chassis. Here you can see the centre drive cartridge in the housing. This is the CAD Solids model of the centre drive cartridge assembly with the electric reverse motor. Here the centre drive hub has been machined in the lathe and I'm checking that the sprocket fits. Tapping M10 by 1.5 for the drive sprocket attachment. Tapping M8 for the reverse drive flex plate attachment. Machining the CV drive hubs with the indexing head on the mill drill. These are the Porsche 930 CVs to be used. 115 by 75 by 20 bearings will be fitted into these housings. The chain tension adjustment mechanism. A starter motor is used for an electric reverse. Existing rear wheel hub axle and upright to be modified. The new CAD Solids model designed upright and axle wheel hub assembly. Existing uprights cut and ready for new additions. Modified uprights fabricated and welded together. Wheel hub and axle CV adapter flange plate ready for TIG welding. Wheel hub axle flanges were machined flat in a lathe after welding and now are drilled and tapped M10 by 1.5 at 94mm PCD on their indexing head. These will have the Porsche 930 CVs bolted to them. The control arms here are tack welded only, yet to be fully welded. Bottom control arm design changed to adapt stabilizer bar attachment. Rear adjustable coilover shock mount. Stabilizer bar attachment assembly. please support the channel by smashing a like. Also, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications from when I post new videos. Continuation Stage 3 will be coming out soon. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching and your support for the channel.